What is an air source heat pump? Heat pumps are used to provide heating and hot water for your home and replace your typical gas boiler. They work in a similar way to an air conditioning unit, but in reverse. They use ambient air to heat a refrigerant with a low boiling point, which in turn is used to heat a hot water tank to provide heating and hot water to your home. A typical system will have a heat pump and a hot water tank to store the heat produced. Heat pumps work best with underfloor heating, but you can use radiators or a combination of the two. Because heat pumps run at a lower temperature than a typical boiler, the radiators will need to be larger than usual. Heat pumps use electricity to run, but for every unit they consume, they produce 3 units of heat, making them far more efficient than other electric heating technologies and much cheaper to run. To work effectively, your home will need to be well insulated. A qualified and accredited installer will need to carry out the installation. As well as saving you money on your heating bills, they will significantly reduce your carbon footprint, saving up to 70% of emissions compared to gas or direct electric heating. By switching to a renewable electricity tariff, you could make this saving even larger.